In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Canva newsletter in email. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now, before we start, Canva designs export as images or PDFs, but most email clients, for example, Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, don't allow you to directly embed a full Canva design as a live scrollable layout. Instead, we've got a workaround for this depending on how you want it to appear. So find your Canva newsletter. So this is it here. Now from here, we need to go ahead and download it. So click on the share button, download it. And now file type, we need to change this to JPEG or PNG. So PNG is best for complex images and illustrations, and that's kind of what a newsletter is. So I suggest using PNG and then go ahead and download it. Now, once that's downloaded, go ahead and open up your email client. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using Gmail. Now, once you've downloaded it, another thing what we can do is click on the share button, and where it says access level, we can change this from only you can access it to anyone with the link, and then copy the link. Now, open up the email client. Like I said, I'm going to be using Gmail. All right, so I'm inside my Gmail. I want to go ahead and compose. I'm going to send this to myself for this demonstration. And now subject is going to be newsletter. And now below that, we want to go ahead and attach that image. So I'm going to go to my downloads, click on downloads. All right, so I'm going to attach the PNGs here, click on open. Now they're going to upload to your Gmail. You can also put a description here. And also what we can do is paste in that link from Canva as well. So here's the link here. Now once you're happy with that, go ahead and click on send. So now I'm going to open up my email. Here it is here. That's the newsletter sent to myself.